Hello everyone, let's see how to replace battery of an Dell Inspiron 15Z laptop. The battery is concealed inside, so I'll show it to you how to remove it and insert a new battery. For removing the battery, first we'll remove all the screws from the bottom. These two screws are little bent here. One screw is gone already. Remove the RAM compartment door because we need to remove the DVD drive, DVD writer, so as to remove a screw from bottom. Don't pull from the panel of the DVD. As you can see, there is a screw down here. We need to remove that screw as well. Remove the keyboard. Just remove this and the backlight, keyboard backlight strip. Just open it from here. You can see a separation line here. On the side as well. Here on the side, the DVD drive. There are few locks there. Just this for the top panel or the touchpad housing. You can remove that. Check. Here you can see this is our battery. This is the battery, main battery. So for removing the main battery, we need to unscrew these 4 screws here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 screws. So remove these 5 screws. Just pull the battery in this way. Don't pull it too much, just a bit up, then pull it backwards. Here is the connector, so see that you will not damage the connector. Pull it back gently. Yes, this is the battery. Take a new battery from the pack you have purchased, unbox it and just insert it in this way. As I am showing, I am not replacing a new battery, but I am just demonstrating you how to replace a battery. So insert it in this way here. Push it gently. Now just fasten all these 5 screws. These screws are of 4 mm length. See that you will not use any lengthier screws. They will penetrate on the bottom. So now fixed. We will cover the top cover, that is touchpad panel. With the laptop here. Okay. Just connect all these connectors properly. Now fasten these screws should be taken off from here. Keyboard. First connect the backlight strip. Then the main strip, key scan, key matrix. Insert the keyboard in this way and press it on all the three sides here. Lock it in the way shown. Okay. Turn it upside down. We will fasten the screws.